So Preceptorship is hopefully about helping those people that are new to the organisation or new to the job to look at their role and tailor their role and their learning needs throughout a period of time so it's from transition from student to practitioner, or from organisation or job to job. The Preceptorship Programme includes, it goes up to a period of 12 months from when you start your job, and you're supervised by a member of staff, experienced member of staff, going through a period of preceptorship. So looking at the Department of Health competencies and proficiencies around communication, knowledge, safeguarding, assessment, and applying those skills in practice. So the pack actually helps you to break down what skills you need to fine-tune, so to speak, whilst you're developing during that preceptorship. Various disciplines, any new starters within the organisation, any new starters to the roles, and it's also available for people that are transferring from one role to another as well, or one job to another, so they can look at the different skills that perhaps they might need in that job and have support achieving those skills and competencies in practice. It's been really valuable to staff, especially because we're trying to promote solution-focused thinking in the organisation and keeping the service user at the centre of everything that we do in health and social care. Staff have really valued the initial contact, so that they can network with other new starters and other new roles, so they don't feel as though they're in it on their own. Definitely do a preceptorship. Like I was saying, it gives you a chance to meet new staff. It also gives you a chance to establish really good relationships with locality service managers and the practice education facilitators, who will support you along your career to tailor your own, journey, your own career, and address your learning needs as you go along in your career as well. So it's really important to establish those relationships at the very beginning. Also, it gives you a chance to utilise skills that you've already learned during your time as a trainee. Particularly look at supporting people with action learning sets, so we're fostering people's self-awareness and their own development at the right time for them. And it's also, we look at different interventions that different roles might need depending on the population at that time. So we look at brief interventions and how that works in practice, and supporting staff with getting skilled in those areas.